Find the center line of where the unit will be installed. Place the centerline mark at each end of the curb where it meets the wall. This mark will represent the center of the wall jamb. Place the wall jamb against the wall and on top of the curb, aligning the centerline marks. Use a level to position the wall jamb plumb and mark the insulation holes with a pen or a pencil. Repeat this procedure for the other wall jamb. Fasten the wall jambs in place. Attach the bumpers, keeping in mind that the inside panel will be on the shower head side of the shower. Measure the distance from wall to wall across the top of the jambs. Cut the header to that dimension, minus 1/16 of an inch. Slide the header down on top of the wall jambs. The header does not have to be secured with screw. Setting of the glass. The inside panel will be set first. This will be done as you stand on the outside of the shower. Grip one of the panels at each side so that the rollers are facing away from you. Lower the panel down until the top of the rollers can be guided into the inside of the roller track of the header. The outside panel will be installed in the same way. Make sure that the rollers are facing toward you. Measure the distance between the inside of the wall jambs, just above the curb, and deduct 1/16 of an inch. Cut the curb to size. Run a bead of silicone along the underneath of the curb. Slide the curb down between the wall jambs and secure it to the wall jambs with screws. Attach the center guide. Snap the guide down over the inside of the curb. The center guide should be centered with the overlap of the glass. Attach the pull knob and the towel bar. The knob should be on the inside. Make sure not to over-tighten. Over-tightening can cause the glass to blow up. Thoroughly clean glass and seal the unit with silicone. Allow the enclosure to cure for 24 hours before use.